Okay, what is asked in the problem? The problem asking for the number of kilograms of beef mother cooked. And what are the given facts? They are 1/2 kilogram and 1 3/4 kilogram. Okay, let's show this by having an illustration. Let me show you the 1/2 of 1 whole and the 1 and the 3/4. So that is 1 and 3/4. Okay, I'm back and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Maestro 05DX. Okay, watching is free, subscribing is free, sharing is free, listening is free. So they are all free. So that's why I'm always telling you na don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my videos. These are all educational, especially this school year, the opening. Though we don't have a face-to-face schooling. Okay, so our topic is multiplying simple fraction and mixed fraction. Okay, mother cooked 1/2 of 1 3/4 kilograms of beef. How many kilograms of beef did she cook? Okay, so mother cooked 1/2 of 1 3/4 of kilogram of beef. How many kilograms of beef did she cook? So let's try to analyze it. So the first question is, what was mother doing? Okay, what was mother doing? Okay, so the answer there vary, but we will arrive on the same answer. So mother cook beef, or mother prepare food or viands, and so on and so forth. Okay, so next question. What is asked in the problem? Okay, now the problem is asking for the kilogram of beef mother cooked. And what are the given facts or the information? So the given info are 1/2 and 1 3/4. Okay, so by illustration, so that is 1/2. The whole 1 whole is divided into 2, so that is 1/2. Next, 1 whole and another 1 is divided into 4 parts. That's it. 1 and 3/4. So this time, the next figure, let's convert 1 and 3/4 into figure. Okay, so that is equal to, okay, that is, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so that is 7 over 4. Okay, this time we're going to divide that 7/4 into half. Okay, so that will become, okay, so that is 1/2 of 1 3/4, or that will become 4 times 1 is 4 plus 3 is 7. So that is 1/2 of 7/4. Okay, so when we say 1/2 of 7/4, so of in mathematics is we are multiplying two numbers. Okay, so let's multiply. So the question is, how many parts are 1/2 of 7/4? Okay, how many parts are 1/2 of 7/4? So what we have to do is to multiply the numerators, and the numerators are 1 times 7, and multiply the, which is 7, multiply the denominator, so that is 2 times 4 equals 8. So 1/2 of 7/4 is 7/8. So therefore, mother cooked 7/8 kilograms of beef. Okay, next sample. Okay, let's try to find the product of the following fractions. Okay, number 1, 4 and 3/6 times 4/12. Change 4 and 3/6 into improper fraction. So 6 times 4 plus 3 is equals to 27/6 times 4/12. Okay, so we can do cancellation by getting the GCF of 27 and 12, and the GCF is 3. 27 divided by 3 is 9, and 12 divided by 3 is 4. Okay, let's cancel 4 and 4, and its GCF is 4, the greatest common factor. So 4 divided by 4 is equals to 1. That is their GCF, is 4. And then let's multiply 29 9 times 1, or you can cancel 9 and 6. So 9 times 1 is equals to 9/6 times 1 is 6, or 1 and 1/2. Since there is 1/6 in 9, so 9 minus 6 is 3/6, and 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. That's why the answer is 1 and 1/2. Next sample. So 12 and 4/5, or 4/5 times 8/12 equals, change 12 and 4/5 into improper fraction. So 5 times 12 is 60, plus 4 is 64/5 times 8/12. Let's do cancellation again. Let's cancel 64 and 12 by getting its GCF, and the GCF is 4. And 64 divided by 4 is equals to 16, and 12 divided by 4 is 3. And then multiply 16 times 8 equals 128 over 5 times 3 is equals to 15. And how many 15 are there in 128? So there are 8, 15, and the difference is 8, or so the final answer is 8 and 8, 15. So 8 times 15 is 120. 128 minus 120 is 8. That's why the difference is 8. Or the remainder is 8. So 8 and 8, 15. Next. 5 and 4 over 9 times 3 over 7 times 6 over 10. Let's change 5 and 4, 9 into proper fraction. And 9 times 5 is 45, plus 4 is 49. Then recopy the 3 over 7 times 6 over 10. Again, use cancellation. Okay, we can cancel 49 and 7, 3 and 9, 6 and 10. So 49 divided by 7 is 7, and 7 divided by 7 is 1, and then we have 9 divided by 3 is 1 for the 3 and 3 for the 9, and the 6 and the 10. 6 divided by 2 is 3, and for the 10 is 5. Then let's multiply 7 times 1 times 3 is equals to 21, and 3 times 5 times 1 times 5 is equals to 15. And the greatest common factor of 21 and 15 is 3. So that is 21 divided by 3 is equals to 7, and 15 divided by 3 is 5. And how many 5 are there in 7? So that is 1 and 2/5. So that is the final answer. Okay, next. Number 4. 5/6 times 4/8 times 12 over 18 equals. Okay, so let's cancel it. So we can cancel 4 and 8, or 4 and 6, 12 and 18, or 4 and 18. Okay, so that is equals to cancel 4 and cancel 8. So that will 4 will become 1 and 8 will become 2. Cancel 12, cancel 6, and 12 will become 2, and 6 will become 1. Okay, so cancel 2, that will become 1, and 1. So we can now proceed on multiplying the numerators. So 5 times 1 times 1 equals 5 over 1 times 1 times 18 is 18. So the final answer is 5/18. Next, sample number 5, 4 and 3/4 times 6 and 4/7 times 2 and 4/5 equals, let's change them into improper fraction. The 4 and 3/4, 6 and 4/7, and 2 and 4/5. So the first fraction, so 4, that is into improper, 4 times 4 plus 3 equals 19 times 7 times 6 is 42 plus 4 is equals to 46 over 7 times 5 times 2 is 10 plus 4 is 14 over 5. Okay, so again, use cancellation. 46 and 4 or 46, I mean 14 and 7. So I'll cancel first 46 and 4, and 46 will become 23 and 4 will become 2, and then 14 and 7, 14 will become 2 and 7 will become 1. And then next to cancel, 2 and 2, so they will become 1, 1. So multiply the numerators. 19 times 23 times 1 equals 437 over 1, the denominator, times 1 times 5 is equals to 5. Now, how many 5 are there in 437? So there are 87 and 2/5. So there are 87 5 and the remainder is 2. So that is 87 and 2/5. Now, let's remember, in simplifying or multiplying mixed fraction or simple fraction. Okay? So let's remember this. To multiply a fraction in mixed form by a fraction in simplest form, change first the mixed form to improper fraction. Then to multiply mixed form, change both factors to improper fraction. Then multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators, or do cancellation if possible to make multiplication easier. And write the product over the denominators after multiplying the numerator. And change the product to simplest form when necessary. Okay? So, for you to solve, Aling Meding can sew a dress in 7.5 hours. If it takes her 2/3 as long to sew a skirt, how many hours does it take her to sew a skirt? Okay? So, what will you do? Change it into improper fraction. Next, Joseph baked a cake in 1 2/3 hours. Preparing the ingredients took 4/5 of this time. How long did it take him to prepare the ingredients? So same. Change to improper fraction, then multiply the numerators, multiply the denominator, and simplify. Okay, next to answer. 2 3/4 times 1 3/5 times 6 4/5 equals n. And then number 2, 1 4/5 times 6 2/3 equals n. And number 3, 12 times 6 4/8. So we all know the denominator of any whole number is always equal to 1. So that is 12/1. Next, 4/7 times 6 2/9. And the last one is 6/10 times 2/3 times 4/12 equals n. Okay, now for our key. So the answer is 5 hours, and for the number 2 is 1 1/3. Next, for the 1 to 5 exercises, 29 and 23/25. Number 2 is 12. Number 3 is 78. Number 4 is 6 2/5. And the last one is 2/15. Okay, again, thank you for watching. Till the next video. Okay, may pahabol. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Maestro05DX. Okay, bye. Till the next video. Okay, so please leave your comment below. And then for those who would like to shout out on my next video, please write your comment below. Thank you and have a good day.